To reverse a video in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the video you want to edit. Tap the plus sign to import your video into the editor. Once your video is uploaded, it will appear on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the video clip you want to reverse by tapping on it in the timeline. This will bring up a menu of options above the timeline. Tap the reverse icon, which looks like a backward arrow, to reverse your video. Alternatively, you can also use the editing menu to reverse your video. To do this, select the video clip and then tap the edit option. In the editing menu, select the reverse option to reverse your video. After reversing your video, you can preview it by tapping the play button. If you are satisfied with the result, you can save your edited video by tapping the export button. You can choose from various export options, including resolution, frame rate, and file format. It is also important to note that reversing a video can sometimes cause it to look unnatural or jerky. To avoid this, make sure your video is shot at a high frame rate and that you are using a steady camera. Additionally, you can use the speed adjustment option in CapCut to adjust the speed of your reversed video and make it look smoother. By following these steps, you can easily reverse a video in CapCut and add a unique touch to your videos. Remember to always preview your edited video before saving it to ensure that it looks the way you want it to. With practice and patience, you can become proficient in reversing videos and create high-quality edited videos using CapCut.